Hi, my name's Ben Sims and I'm a qualified greenkeeper who now runs a YouTube channel teaching people all about how to look after their grass and how to maintain it. And as you can see, at the moment, I've got a project going on where I'm building myself a par 3 golf hole. So there's a few different areas of construction. So I've had the golf green here, which is a USGA spec green with proper drainage, proper irrigation. We've got a fairway over there, that's all done and dusted. Irrigation is in. That is playable now. Got another fairway going over the backside here as well. We're going to put a bunker in eventually and some tee boxes. About 3 to start, possibly 4 to 5 that will all be irrigated as well. So as you can imagine, there's lots of moving parts to get something like this built. First off, we needed a water source, so we sunk a bore down the bottom end of the paddock. Then Reece helped supply some main line up to some tanks, which are basically going to help feed this whole golf course here. From those tanks, we ran a main line down to this golf green here, and then we've got some Rainbird sprinkler heads around this whole green here, which are all controlled by a Rainbird controller as well. We also had to do the fairway over there with some irrigation, so we've got similar heads on over there, 5 sprinklers on that fairway. This fairway up the back is going to have 2 sprinklers on it, and then our tee box is going to have more home style heads on them, but they're going to just showcase how well those Rainbird RVNs work in smaller situations. Getting everything out here was a bit of a job, so luckily the guys at Reece really helped me out on this, and they brought their truck out here and delivered everything, dropped it off in the shed, saved me the hassle of hiring out a truck or something and get everything out here, because there's a lot of gear. PVC pipe, poly pipe, we've got their sprinkler heads, every little fitting. Tons of gear, as you can imagine, to get a golf course going. Super handy, even when I had a little stuff up and I broke a couple of fittings as well when I placed some things in the wrong areas, as you do sometimes when you're working so hard. They came out within the hour and brought out replacement parts for me, which was, man, just meant I could keep doing the job and get it done. Now, I do just want to give a huge shout out to the design team at Reece that helped me with this whole irrigation plan. I threw them my ideas, the project, gave them a map, showed them exactly where I wanted everything planted, and they did an amazing job at just planning out where the sprinklers went, figuring out how much flow I was going to need to get water to those sprinkler heads. Everything I threw at them, they were happy to help out. And even when I changed things halfway through, after everything was set and done, it was a phone call, a quick chat, and it was honestly done within 10 minutes. So really, really helpful in that sense, and I couldn't recommend them more. With this project, I wanted to make sure that I got good quality fittings and parts. So we went with a Rainbird system. We've got some Rainbird 752s around the green and on the fairways as well. As I said, some RVNs on the tees as well. So all quality products, quality pipe as well. We got some Plasson push fittings, which were really super handy just to push in and click together, especially when you're doing a job by yourself. It was really, really handy to do that and not need a second hand to push these fittings together. So we've also got a Rainbird controller, which I can control with my phone as well. It's all controlled over Wi-Fi, and the sprinklers just automatically flick on. When you put schedules on, you can manually just flick a sprinkler on like we are here. Here it comes on just now. There's no leaks in the whole system, and it stays charged constantly. And we've even got fail safes in here, so if we do get leaks, we're not going to lose a ton of water with our main valve. Great fittings, great system, Rainbird, and everything is just perfect for this situation. And everything just works.